Lex's coaching program has been pretty awesome. He walks you through the entire process. So, I mean, from beginning to finish, he gets you into your first deal. I mean, he makes it happen for you from point A to point B. Lex is there. I'd recommend it to everyone.
I've benefited from Lex's coaching program in the fact that I suffered from analysis paralysis, and Lex pushed me into doing my first deal. Without that, I probably would still be spinning my wheels.
Found Lex online about 2 years ago. I attended his boot camp. Then about 2 or 3 months, I did my first 2 deals. I decided to sign up for the group mentoring and coaching. Since then, Lex has held my hand through everything, provided me with transaction funding, found my buyers. I was able to quit my job, and I'm a full-time wholesaler now.